stars and the solar system. Learning about stars. The stars. What other objects do you see in the night sky? There are a large number of stars in the sky. If we observe carefully on a dark night and from a place away from a big city, we see clear sky with twinkling stars, some shining brightly and some stars do not twinkle. The stars which do not twinkle are planets. In fact, stars emit light of their own. The sun is also a star, which appears bigger, a football placed near you, or a football placed at a distance of 100 meters. The football placed near us appears to be bigger than the football placed at 100 meters. Similarly, the stars are millions of times farther away than the sun. Therefore, the stars appear to us like points. In fact, the stars are present in the sky during the daytime also. However, they are not visible then because of the bright sunlight. If we observe some prominent star or a group of stars in the sky, we find that the stars appear to move east to west. A star which rises in the east in the evening sets in the west in the early morning. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west as the earth rotates from west to east on its axis. There is actually a star, the pole star, which is situated in the direction of the Earth's axis. It does not appear to move. We can locate the pole star with the help of Ursa Major. Constellations. The stars forming a group that has a recognizable shape is called a constellation. We can easily identify some constellations in the night sky. One of the most famous constellations, which you can see during summertime in the early part of the night, is Ursa Major. It is also known as the Big Dipper, the Great Bear, or the Saptarshi. There are 7 prominent stars in this constellation. It appears like a big ladle or a question mark. There are 3 stars in the handle of the ladle and 4 in its bowl. The shape of the constellation remains the same and the constellation appears to move in the sky from east to west. Note that the pole star is not visible from the southern hemisphere. Some of the northern constellations like Ursa Major may also not be visible from some points in the southern hemisphere. Orion is another well-known constellation that can be seen during winter in the late evenings. It is one of the most magnificent constellations in the sky. It also has 7 or 8 bright stars. Orion is also called the Hunter. The 3 middle stars represent the belt of the Hunter. The 4 bright stars appear to be arranged in the form of a quadrilateral. The star Sirius, which is the brightest star in the sky, is located close to Orion. To locate Sirius, imagine a straight line passing through the 3 middle stars of Orion. Look along this line towards the east. This line will lead you to a very bright star. It is Sirius. Cassiopeia is another prominent constellation in the northern sky. It is visible during winter in the early part of the night. It looks like a distorted letter W or M. Did you know? A constellation does not have only 5 to 10 stars. It has a large number of stars. However, we can see only the bright stars in a constellation with our naked eyes. All the stars which make up a constellation are not at the same distance. They are just in the same line of sight in the sky. Summary: stars are celestial bodies that emit light of their own. Our sun is also a star. It is convenient to express distances of stars in light years. Stars appear to move from east to west. The pole star appears to be stationary from the Earth because it is situated close to the direction of the axis of rotation of the Earth. Constellations are a group of stars that appear to form recognizable shape. That is all in this topic. Let us learn about the solar system in our next topic.